Hello, everybody. This is Dana from Empowering Pumps and Equipment. We are the connection hub for the pump and related equipment industry. Today, I am here with James Anderson from Coupling Corp. James, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hey, I'm Jim Anderson, and I'm Vice President at Coupling Corporation of America, located in central Pennsylvania. Great to be here.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad to have you here today. We're going to be talking about TPS. So TPS is highlighting these words exactly, which is exchanging ideas, impacting the industry for their event this year. So in what ways would you say that you were able to impact the industry the most?
I think we like to think of ourselves as a pretty dynamic company. So it's great to go to TPS and see what kind of issues are being talked about in the industry and what kind of issues people are running into. And that really helps us know where to take our designs and how to change our designs and get them in line with what our customers need. So that's what's really great about coming to TPS and just learning, figuring out how we can provide solutions quicker and better all the time.
Definitely. I definitely agree. So TPS has a big end user attendance. How do your services or products support the end user specifically?
Great question. We do a lot of work with end users, and we enjoy working with them for a couple of reasons. We feel like we can provide a lot of good new solutions to them that they don't necessarily get from a lot of other providers.
Mhm.
So it's a good chance for us to talk one-on-one with them and figure out what their actual problems are, and then figure out how we can tailor some solutions to really help them. The
Mhm.
other thing we see a lot of is that end users might be stuck with an original coupling that was designed with a system, and it was really only picked for price probably. So it wasn't really picked for its performance, and so sometimes they're suffering because of that. So we have a chance to come and help them look at a better solution, not just what's the cheapest, but what will actually perform the best in this application and give you the best performance, the best runtime.
Definitely. I think it's important that they can see you face to face and ask all those questions.
Definitely.
And so, what is the best way? What can people expect to see showcased at your booth during the exhibition?
Sure. Yeah, we'll have a lot of different samples there. We like to have we have a coupling that's running while it's misaligned. So that's always great. People love to see that in action. It's really neat. The other great thing is just being able to come up and put your hands on a coupling and watch it flex and see how easy it is to flex. They're always amazed and they say, "Wow, it's so flexible." That's what really makes it great. They love to play with. We have our Anderson clamp hub, which is a great. We have some samples where they can actually put it on a shaft, tighten it, see how it works, and that's also just it amazes them to see. Oh wow, that's so simple. It works so well, and it makes them really appreciate how that could be applied in the field on their real equipment.
No, that sounds very exciting. And so, what is the best way to connect with you and your company?
So we're excited to announce we have a new website just being launched in the next couple of weeks, so that will be ready for TPS. So there'll be a lot of good information there presented, I think, in a good a way that's able to be searched pretty easily and find applications that match up with what our customers need, and really show some of the different products we have, and give a lot of dimensional information and performance information they might need to work on a design. Then it also has a lot of good ways to be able to transmit that information to us, whether you're looking at a vertical pump application, you can actually list out all of your different specs. It goes right through us through the website. So that should be a great tool. We also have, we work through LinkedIn. You can find some information there. We work obviously with our friends here at Empowering Pumps. There's a lot of information to be found through their sites and other places. And then we also, one of the best ways to just keep in touch with us or find out what's going on is through our blog, which is aptly named Misaligned and Running Fine. So you can see that, you can connect to it, you can join our mailing list to get updates on that blog. It's a good technical resource. We offer not just sales pitch, but try to give some good technical stories and case studies talking about where our products have been used successfully and how what problems they've solved in the field and different, not just pumps, but turbines and gearboxes and other things, automotive testing, all kinds of different applications. So it's a good resource to look up.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Well, everybody, you need to make sure to check out Coupling Corp at TPS this year. And as always, James, thank you so much for your time. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you myself in September.
That'll be great.